Ouch! You punched him. Alright. Rocky, don't go in there. Okay. Come out, Rocky. Okay, now it's up to us to make a decision. Which path do you want to take first? Alright. I shut the door. Wait, Lex, close it! Close it! Okay. Do you see the signs? Look. Do you really want to go in there, Lex? No, you didn't. Okay, just go in. They all blew up on her, so. Alright. I'm not gonna tell you what they're in though, because you can find out on your own. Okay, look. We gotta break in there and take the lever. Alright, Rocky, you have it. Right, come on. We're taking the oh, you can't go through yet. We're taking the express tunnel. Alright. No. Okay, which one do you want to take next? Or, well, I mean, we could get all. Well, I mean, you could go unlock one of the doors now if you wanted to. Okay, well, now we need one more, so come on. Oh, Lex is. I fell in with Lex, and now just wait, because it's not safe for us to go in the next one. Yeah. This one says something different. No. Well, he died, but he went in the other direction. Lex, no! Stay here! No! Don't go, no! Stay out of there! You hit me so many times. No, back at the entrance. Lex, no, get back in here before you burn. Stop! Lex, please. Lex. He keeps jumping in between the lava. No! Sneak on the ground. Just stay in the room. Let me see if it's even partially activated, because it has to have a trigger. No. Evergreen, please. Evergreen. No, but just don't get too close or it's gonna start sprinting all over the place like it did before. Just go. Evergreen. No! Yeah, just take the lever. Now let's wait forever. Wait, Evergreen, you can stay there. We're coming back through the express tunnel. Yeah, there's food in one of them. So we have all of them. No! Lex, come on. Alright, no, stop. Don't go in there. Alright. We need a plan. Do you think it's dangerous? Well, I mean, the sign says something even worse. Because it says entity. What'd you see? Hold it! There's something in there. Stop! Like, stop! Okay, look. Like, okay, I'm gonna. Okay. Ouch. Okay, look. Okay, I'm gonna go. Okay, I'm gonna go in and I'm hiding in a locker. Run to it and close it on you. Oh, she's just sprinting to the. Oh, might get shot. Just don't anger them. I don't know, but when they start shaking like that, that means that you should definitely get in one because it's gonna shoot you. Lex, you're not in a hiding spot. Ow! Ow! Everyone stop. Oh my gosh. I lived. Oh my evergreen. Alright. You guys could even go back now if you wanted to. We have the final lever. We're gonna unlock this one first, come on. Alright. It's lava. Wait, Rock, put the lever on the other door first. And then come this way. Alright, come on. Oh no! Stop laughing. Stop doing that! Come on. Come on. Okay, stop. I swear! He stayed over here the last time. This wouldn't be happening. Come on. Jump on the ladder. Okay, stay there. Okay, okay. Thanks, please. No, you poisoned us! Guys, keep moving when you reach it. Okay. Let's just wait in here until he gets back. Come on. This sign means trouble. Okay, close the door. Rock. Okay, okay, come on, let's just go. No, but be careful. Just be careful. Oh my gosh, ow, ow. That scared me so bad. Hey, I already died. I'm scared. I'm scared of this thing. Wait, is it still? It's still coming! Go inside! Run! Run! Let's go! I don't know. I don't know. I think it has the ability to open doors. Just run. Or maybe he's too big to fit. Just. Oh my gosh. Make the jump. Come on. Yes. Run! Next. Same thing as last time. Come on! Burned to death! What the? Crouch! Don't let him see you! Don't let him see you. I'm telling the truth. Don't make no. Lex, stop! Lex, no! Don't let him see you or make noise. He is a killing machine. I jumped on me! Get it out. Oh. Get it, get it. Lex, he's killing Lex! Oh my gosh, he was killed. He killed him. The thing to get out. Don't go in there. He'll just select a new target now. He's blocking our only way out. Dang it! Something tells me there's something that we need in that room. axe. Take the axe. Just take the axe. Chest. No, then he jumped on me. I think there's still something I want in that room, but he's walking. As long as he doesn't jump on me too hard, I'll be. Oh! Help me! Okay, I'm here, I'm here. Alright. Okay, I lived.